Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this particular problem we are going to study about the projection of straight line, right? And the category is third one where the point is rested on both HP and VP, right? So there is no need to worry. If the concepts are with you, you can draw any number of figures and any projections, okay? So select XY reference line from here, okay? Press escape, okay? Just give the dimensions or text, right? The text, select any here, okay? Point 2, rotation angle is 0. So this is my X and Y reference line. This is my VP. In the VP I will get the front view. In the HP I will get the top view, right? Now I need to locate the point. So point is rested on HP and VP. So whenever such kind of problems will be there, you can observe its front view and top view on the reference slide. So you can select anywhere on the XY reference line and mark one point, right? So here I am marking. Okay, so this point is basically my A dash A, right? The text here. Oh, sorry. Press Control Z. Okay, escape and write down the text command. Okay, here I'm writing point 2 and 0 rotation angle. So this is my particular point A dash and A and A, or A dash, and here I can type A, right? So this particular point reflects both. So from this particular point there is inclination given. Inclination with HP is 45 degree. Okay, so what I'm going to draw, I'm going to draw one line basically. Okay, press escape, which is 45 degree inclined to HP, means here it will be, and the length of the line is 1.5 AutoCAD unit, that is 150 mm, and press tab and 45 degree to HP, then press enter. Okay, then click escape. Again from this particular point you need to draw another line which is inclined 35 degree to VP, means its inclinations can be seen in the top view, that is on the horizontal plane. Then the dimension is 0.5 AutoCAD unit and the angle is how much, 35 degrees. Then press enter. Okay, then escapes. Now you can see, so this is my another point, right? And this is another point. So I'm going to locate the point. Okay, I'm going to draw one point to locate this. Okay, so if we are not able to locate this, okay, simply what you can do, okay, so this is not possible, Control Z. Okay, I escape and press Control Z. Okay, select point here. So this is my first point, right? And then this is my second point, right? And immediately what I am going to do, I am going to give the dimensions. Okay, go to dimensions, click align. So this is my one line, this is another point, this is 150 mm. Again go to dimensions, align from this particular point, from this particular point, this is 150 mm, just convert it into CR. Okay, then dimensions, angular dimensions I need to define. So from this particular point and this particular point, this is basically 45 degree. From this particular line point or line, so this is my 35 degree. Convert it into cyan color immediately. Okay, so now I can locate my another point, that is basically the text. Select here. Okay, 0.25 spacing, rotation angle is 0. Okay, and just type here. So this is my B1 dash, right? And this is my B1, right? So immediately what I need to do, press escape. I need to draw the locus from this particular point, right? Select ortho. From this particular point I am drawing one horizontal here, right? From again this particular point I am drawing another horizontal here. Similarly from this B1, another locus. Okay, press escape. From this particular point you draw another locus. Okay, immediately convert it into cyan color, right? Press escape Okay, this also you have to convert it to CR. So now you have drawn the locus, so immediately you can write it down, no issue. Okay, so if you do practice on this, immediately you can use the command multiple time, right? And you can write it down. Okay, so this is basically locus of point b1 dash, and this is basically locus of point b1, right? Okay, let's see that. So from this particular, I need to draw one perpendicular. Okay, so from this particular point I am drawing one perpendicular, okay, up to here, and converting into cyan color. So steps you have to repeat the same. So once you know the steps, you can draw multiple problems by changing the problem statement. Okay, so now it is connecting here. So I need to draw a circle which will pass from this particular point. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw one circle considering this as a center. Okay, and I'm drawing, so this will pass from here. Okay, you can check, right? So this is passed from this particular projection line. So again, what you need to do, I need to trim the unwanted portions. I'm going to select here, okay, then select object, yes, enter, and now I'm going to delete it. So this particular portions I'm going to delete it, this particular portions I'm going to delete it, and this particular, okay, then press escape. So this arc I need to convert into cyan color. Okay, so I got one point here. Okay, I'm marking here another point. So this is my point B, right? And from this particular point B, I'm drawing one perpendicular projection on the locus of B1 dash. Press escape. So once you are doing this, convert it into cyan color. So here again you are going getting some point. Okay, the mark here another point. This will be your B dash, right? So immediately what you can do, you can give the command text, click here, rotation angle is 0.2, rotation angle is 0, okay, and write down here, this is my B dash, and this particular point basically B, B, right? And here you need to join these two, A dash and B dash. So escape, right? I'm joining these. Okay, you can zoom in, and then so it's now getting perpendicular. So unclick ortho, and you can join this particular line. Similarly, you can select line here from this particular point. You can draw and you can join here. Okay, press escape. So give the dimensions for your understanding. Align from this particular point and from this particular point. It is 1.2287, similar to our case. Convert cyan, dimensions, angular. Okay, from this particular point, from this particular, this is how much, 60 degree, right? So we got 60 degree cyan. Okay, press escape. In the similar fashion, what you need to do, you have to select the angular dimensions from this particular point. So you will get another 54 dimensions here. Okay, convert it into cyan color, right? And again go to dimensions, select align, and from this particular point and from this particular point you can draw. So 1.2287, so something is going wrong here. Okay, press, so 1.606, yes, it is correct, right? So now you can convert it into cyan color. Okay, so now press escape. Now you can see this is basically whether you have defined all the parameters. Okay, I am not converted into cyan color. Okay, and now you can see this is the solution for your this particular type of problem statement, where A dash B dash is the front view and A B is the top view, and this procedure you have to follow every time. Okay, so I am pressing Z, enter, A, enter. Okay, so this is the solution for this, dear students and dear viewers. Okay, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. So do not forget to practice. Okay.